Gingerbread is a delicious and festive treat that can be enjoyed by all. It is perfect for holiday parties or as a dessert after a family dinner. Gingerbread is also a great way to get into the Christmas spirit. It is fun to make and even more fun to eat. Cooking with friends can be a fun and inspiring way to spend time together. Cooking together gives you the opportunity to bond over a common activity and to create delicious food together. Plus, it's a great way to get inspired in the kitchen. The ice cream Neapolitan also represents something timeless. It has been around for centuries and shows no signs of going away anytime soon. That stability and reliability is something that inspires confidence in people. They know that they can always turn to the ice cream Neapolitan for a good time, no matter what else is going on in their lives.